Good evening. So it's welcome to day 7. It's end of the day. Less than ideal, but I'm getting it done because I always get it done, like I told you the other day. And today it's time to talk briefly about what not to do on social media and what you should do on social media when you're going through divorce, family law case, or maybe just in your life. Here's a quick overview for you. Social media is something everybody does. End of the day, like right now, what do you probably do? You reach for your phone, you scroll through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I guess the kids are doing TikTok, whatever your social media of choice is. And that's great. And sometimes it's a great stress relief. But if you're in the middle of litigation, I would caution you to consider taking a social media diet. Take a break from social media if you can. Take that time away and focus on other things. Reason being that social media can hurt your case. Here's how. Even if you think your privacy settings are on lock, it doesn't mean that you don't have mutual friends with someone who might gain access to your social media and use your posts against you. Maybe you think I'm not posting anything harmful. Why would that be a problem? Well, for example, two main issues that can be affected by social media postings are custody and spousal support. So if you are posting pictures or you have posted pictures of you maybe going out with friends, maybe drinking, maybe partying, things that you have every right to do as an adult, those could be used for someone to suggest, oh, you're doing this instead of spending time with your kids, or oh, you have an alcohol problem. Maybe those things aren't true. They're probably not true, but it doesn't mean that those posts can't be taken out of context, even if they have nothing to do with your case, and maybe they're even, months or even years old. I've seen that happen. So be careful with exposure on social media with posts you wouldn't want anyone to see, even if you think your privacy settings are locked down. So that raises a question of what you should do. One thing you should do is change all your passwords if you're about to go through a divorce or family law case. You should do that periodically anyway, but especially if you have passwords that the other party might know, or even if you think they don't know, change your passwords, or set up a new account that maybe nobody knows about. Add new friends, something like that. So change your passwords. Be careful about what you post because things can be taken out of context. Also, be careful about what friends and family post about you and your case. I've had many instances over the years where friends and family inadvertently become fact witnesses in cases because they might make status updates or post something about a case that's going on, and they become an inadvertent witness because they've obviously posted about something that they know happened, and next thing you know, they're being dragged into a case to talk about it. So caution your friends and family members, if they don't want to be involved, not to post things. And also don't post things that potentially could be harmful. They might not think they're doing it. They might think they're being supportive or helping, but just ask them not to talk about it at all. Even if you're not the one talking about it, friends and family members talking about your situation can be harmful. So you don't want that to happen. Other thing is spousal support. If you are a party seeking spousal support and yet you're posting going out to dinner, going on trips, you don't want the court seeing that you're dining at El Gaucho or wherever, and yet saying you don't have any money. And maybe you didn't pay for that dinner, but someone sees you checked in there and dining there, and the court's going to think, and then you have to spend time and money explaining that, no, so-and-so paid for that meal, or I had a gift card, or any number of things. So just don't make it a question. Just don't post about it. Or don't have someone tag you in a check-in. So lock down your settings. Make sure that you have to approve all posts that concern you when you're going through a family law matter or a divorce. On the other hand, if you're a party saying you can't afford to pay support, and yet you are posting on all of your various trips or courtside seats at, a hockey game or whatever, that is probably also not going to play very well if you're saying you don't have any discretionary money, and yet here you are doing all these, wonderful things. So be careful about what you're posting, be mindful, and be safe. That's it. End of the day, day 7. Hope your week's going well. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.